Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kate and I have a very exciting video for you guys, all focused on clothes for the summer concert slash festival season. This is mainly focused on Lollapalooza, which is coming up tomorrow. I'm going on the first day, which is Thursday. First time, so excited for it. So I thought, why not throw together a little video showing you guys my process of trying to find an outfit for the day I'm going and just some outfit ideas, hopefully that give you inspiration for some concerts or a festival you might be going to. Sadly, these are all clothes I already had, so I don't really have the prices for them. I will let you guys know where I got the clothes from those, so you can look forward to that. If you like something, I'll leave what brand it is from. Make sure you guys comment your favorite outfit or something. Let me know what you think I should be wearing. Tomorrow I will have another video for you guys, which is focused on my get ready with me for Lollapalooza, the day I am going. So bear with me. This is my first time doing a video anything like this. It was a little experimentation going on, but I hope you guys really enjoy it and it gives you some inspiration. Alright guys, so that wraps up the video now. Make sure you stay tuned to tomorrow's video, which is the get ready with me for Lollapalooza. You can see my outfit there and see what I chose to wear and my makeup I'm wearing for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, gave you some ideas or inspiration for outfits you can wear to some concert seasons. So make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate and I will see you guys next time. Bye!